New at 6, New York is now facing the worst flu surge on record, and health officials warn the timing could make it even more dangerous. With the holidays underway, urgent cares and hospitals are filling fast. News 8's Gio Battaglia has the latest.
This flu season in New York State is no longer just severe, it's historic.
We saw 20,000 more cases the week ending December 20th than the week before. We saw over 3,600 people in the hospital. That was more during the week ending December 20th than the peak of last year.
More than 71,000 positive flu cases were reported in New York in just 7 days, the most since influenza became a reportable disease in 2004. And hospitalizations are climbing just as fast, jumping 63% in 1 week.
85 to 90% of our population, our patients that we're seeing every day, they're positive for flu. It's really spreading like wildfire right now.
Patty Venero is a family nurse practitioner at Family Health NP Immediate Care in Ontario. With 2,300 flu cases reported in Monroe County in just 1 week, she tells me her team sees the strain on urgent cares and emergency rooms.
We see everybody we can. Yes, sometimes there's a line out the door and people have to wait, but everybody seems pretty patient, and we get them in and see them and get them back home to hopefully start feeling better.
Doctors say vaccination, staying home when sick, washing hands, and wearing masks in crowded places can help slow the spread, stressing there is still time if you have not gotten your flu shot yet.
Flu can be treated with an antiviral medication and help shorten the duration of illness and maybe keep someone out of the hospital.
Healthcare providers say if flu symptoms including high fever, body aches, cough, or extreme fatigue last longer than a week or suddenly worsen, it's important to get checked out.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.